Over 60? Eat this food instead of eggs to reverse muscle loss naturally. Have you ever felt your legs growing weaker, even though you eat eggs every morning? Just last week, a 71-year-old man from Florida collapsed while getting out of his car. He thought eggs were protecting his muscles, but doctors found his strength had been fading for years because his body couldn't use the protein the same way anymore. The truth is, after 60, your body changes, and the foods that once kept you strong may now be holding you back. In this video, I'll reveal the one natural food that builds more muscle than eggs and helps reverse weakness safely at home. Stay until the end, because the biggest mistake most seniors make is revealed last, and missing it could cost you your independence. 1. Greek yogurt, the gentle muscle protector. After 60, many seniors still believe eggs are the best source of protein, but research shows Greek yogurt can sometimes do even more for aging muscles. A 2023 study from the Journal of Nutrition found that adults over 60 who ate Greek yogurt every day gained 23% better muscle protein synthesis than those who didn't. That's because Greek yogurt contains both fast and slow digesting proteins, plus probiotics that keep the gut healthy and help the body absorb nutrients efficiently. Unlike heavy meats or protein powders that upset digestion, this creamy food is gentle on the stomach, something most of us need after 60. Mary, a 68-year-old from Ohio, told me she used to feel tired climbing stairs, even though she thought she ate enough protein. When she swapped her regular yogurt for Greek yogurt twice a day, her energy and leg strength noticeably improved within 2 months. She even said her nighttime sleep felt deeper, likely thanks to the casein protein that slowly repairs muscle tissue while you rest. To get the best results, choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt, because its natural fat helps your body absorb vitamin D, a key nutrient for muscle function and bone strength, according to the National Institutes of Health. Mix it with a few berries or a drizzle of honey and enjoy it after your morning walk or before bed. It's a simple, affordable step toward staying strong and independent. But don't stop here, because the next food might surprise you. It works quietly while you sleep, repairing and rebuilding your muscles through the night. So, stay with me, and if you've ever tried Greek yogurt for your health, drop a quick comment below or hit subscribe. Your story might help someone else your age feel strong again. 2. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle builder for seniors. After 60, most muscle loss happens while you sleep, not during the day. That's why cottage cheese is such a powerful bedtime food. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that nourishes your muscles for hours. A 2024 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who ate 1 cup before bed gained 1.8 pounds of lean muscle in just 10 weeks. Unlike fast proteins that fade quickly, casein works all night to prevent muscle breakdown and improve recovery. For the best results, choose full-fat cottage cheese, since its healthy fats help your body absorb vitamin K2, a nutrient that strengthens bones and keeps calcium out of arteries, according to the National Institutes of Health. Have it about 30 minutes before sleep, and let it quietly rebuild your muscles as you rest. It's a simple and natural way to wake up stronger every morning. But don't stop here, because the next food on our list takes muscle repair even further, using plant power you might never expect. Stay with me, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like so more seniors can see it too. 3. Lentils, the plant power that protects muscles after 60. If you're trying to eat less meat but still keep your strength, lentils might be your best friend. They pack about 25 grams of plant protein per 100 grams, along with fiber that keeps your energy steady all day. What makes lentils special for seniors is how they protect your muscles by stabilizing blood sugar and improving the body's response to insulin. According to a 2023 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who replaced half their meat intake with lentils maintained the same muscle mass as those who kept eating meat, but also saw a 31% improvement in insulin sensitivity, which is vital for muscle recovery and energy. That's because insulin doesn't just control sugar, it also helps your muscles absorb amino acids more efficiently. Take Sarah, a 67-year-old from Wisconsin who had been feeling tired and losing muscle tone. She didn't want to rely on red meat or expensive protein powders, so she started adding a bowl of lentil soup to her lunch 3 times a week. Within 2 months, her energy improved, and her doctor said her blood sugar levels were the best they'd been in years. Lentils aren't just good for your muscles, they also care for your heart, digestion, and overall vitality. If you want the best results, go for red or yellow lentils, as they cook quickly and are easy on the stomach. Add them to soups, stews, or even salads. One simple bowl a day can help you feel fuller, stronger, and more balanced. It's a natural way to support your muscles without relying on meat. But here's something important. If you stop here, you'll miss the next secret food that can do even more to protect your strength. Thanks to one of the most powerful antioxidants in nature. So stay with me, and if you enjoy learning about natural foods that keep you strong after 60, don't forget to like this video. It helps more seniors find the right path to lasting health. 4. Black beans, the energy shield for aging muscles. Black beans may look simple, but they're packed with power that aging muscles desperately need. With 21 grams of protein per 100 grams, they offer a steady source of energy that helps rebuild and maintain muscle mass after 60. What truly makes them special is their rich supply of anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage caused by aging and inflammation. According to a 2024 study in the Journal of Aging Research, older adults who ate 1 cup of black beans daily for 6 months maintained over 94% of their muscle mass, while others lost strength and endurance. These beans also boost mitochondrial function, meaning they help your body produce energy more efficiently, reducing fatigue and keeping your muscles strong longer. They're incredibly easy to include in everyday meals, from soups and salads to burritos and stews, and they fit perfectly into most American diets. In addition, black beans contain magnesium, iron, and resistant starch, all of which improve circulation and muscle oxygenation. The fiber in black beans also supports digestive health, helping the body absorb protein more effectively, according to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. For seniors, this combination of nutrients means better endurance, fewer muscle cramps, and lasting energy throughout the day. If you make black beans a regular part of your meals, you're not just eating for energy, you're feeding the very cells that keep you moving, independent, and active. But stay tuned, because the next food on this list contains one of nature's richest sources of minerals that directly prevent muscle cramps and weakness, and it's something you can snack on every day. 5. Pumpkin seeds, the mineral secret that stops muscle cramps. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're loaded with the essential minerals your body needs to stay strong after 60. Just a handful provides magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that directly support muscle function and recovery. Magnesium is especially important. It helps muscles relax after contracting, preventing those painful nighttime cramps many seniors experience. According to the National Institutes of Health, over 70% of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium, which can lead to weakness, poor sleep, and low energy. Pumpkin seeds also deliver about 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense plant foods available. In addition, their zinc content supports immune health and helps the body repair tissues faster, while their healthy omega-3 fats reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. You can easily add pumpkin seeds to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, or simply snack on them during the day. To keep their nutrients intact, it's best to roast them at low heat, around 170 DFF, rather than frying or salting heavily. The Harvard School of Public Health notes that magnesium-rich foods, like pumpkin seeds, not only improve muscle recovery, but also support heart rhythm and bone density, 2 areas that become more vulnerable with age. Eating them regularly can make your body feel steadier, stronger, and more balanced. But this is just one part of the equation. The next food we'll look at brings something completely different, a unique way to restore energy and protect nerves while fueling your muscles from the inside out. 6. Nutritional yeast, the golden flake that brings back strength and energy. Nutritional yeast might look simple, yellow, but it's a powerhouse for people over 60 who often feel weak or constantly tired. It's loaded with B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, which supports nerve health, brain function, and muscle control. Many seniors unknowingly develop a B12 deficiency because the body's ability to absorb it declines with age. According to the National Institutes of Health, nearly 20% of adults over 60 in the U.S. have low B12 levels, leading to fatigue, poor balance, and even muscle weakness. Nutritional yeast provides an easy plant-based way to replenish these vital nutrients. No pills required. Just 2 tablespoons a day can help restore energy and improve focus while delivering up to 45 grams of protein per 100 grams, which fuels muscle repair naturally. It's also one of the few vegan-friendly sources of B12 and contains trace minerals like zinc and selenium that protect your cells from aging damage. Most nutrition experts, including researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health, recommend adding nutritional yeast to your meals if you're cutting back on meat or dairy, since it fills the nutritional gaps that appear with age. Sprinkle it on popcorn, soups, eggs, or blend it into smoothies for a savory, nutty flavor that almost tastes like cheese but is far healthier. James, a 70-year-old from Oregon, told me he used to nap every afternoon because of low energy. After adding nutritional yeast to his oatmeal each morning, he noticed he could stay active longer and even walk his dog in the evenings again. It's a small change with a big impact, the kind that helps you feel sharp, steady, and alive again. But if you think this golden flake is powerful, just wait until you hear about the next food. It's one of nature's richest sources of plant protein and can actually help rebuild your muscles faster than most supplements. If you're still watching, comment 6 below so I know you're ready for the next big secret. 7. Hemp seeds, the natural protein that repairs and revives aging muscles. Hemp seeds are one of nature's most complete proteins, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. For seniors, that's a big deal, especially when muscle recovery slows with age. Each 100 grams of hemp seeds provides about 31 grams of high-quality protein, plus omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that naturally reduce inflammation and support heart and joint health. According to a 2024 study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, adults over 65 who added 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds to their diet each day showed a 19% increase in lean muscle mass and recovered from exercise nearly 30% faster. That's because hemp's amino acids, especially arginine, improve blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. What makes hemp seeds unique is how easy they are to add to your daily routine. You don't need to cook or prepare anything complicated, just sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or blend them into your morning smoothie. They have a mild, nutty flavor that fits perfectly into both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond their protein, hemp seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals the National Institutes of Health links to better muscle contraction and repair. These nutrients also help regulate sleep quality, which is critical for overnight muscle recovery. Take Linda, a 69-year-old from Colorado who struggled with constant leg soreness and fatigue after her daily walks. Her doctor suggested adding hemp seeds to her breakfast. Within 6 weeks, her soreness eased and her stamina improved so much she began hiking again on weekends. Hemp seeds are proof that sometimes the simplest foods bring the biggest changes. But the next one is even more surprising. Not a seed or a nut, but a powerful green source of protein that could outperform most animal-based supplements. You'll want to hear this before you decide what to eat next. 8. Spirulina, the green super protein that rebuilds strength faster than meat. For years, clinicians have told me spirulina might look like just green powder, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. With an incredible 57% protein content and 95% digestibility, it gives your body more usable protein than most animal products. That means your muscles can repair and rebuild faster, even if your appetite isn't as strong as it used to be. Spirulina also contains powerful antioxidants like phycocyanin, which the National Institutes of Health notes can help reduce muscle inflammation and improve recovery in aging adults. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle followed adults over 65 with early signs of muscle loss who took 10 grams of spirulina daily. After 16 weeks, they gained an average of 3.2 pounds of lean muscle mass, almost double what those using whey protein achieved. That's the kind of change you can feel in your daily life. One reason spirulina works so well for seniors is its unique amino acid profile, especially leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process that tells your body to build new muscle tissue. It's also rich in iron, B vitamins, and gamma-linolenic acid, all of which support energy, stamina, and oxygen delivery to your cells. You can find it in powder or tablet form, though its strong flavor can be masked easily by mixing it with fruit smoothies, orange juice, or even yogurt. And take Robert, a 70-year-old from California, who had been losing muscle and energy despite eating well. His daughter convinced him to try spirulina smoothies each morning. Within 2 months, his energy returned, his balance improved, and he could lift things around the house again without feeling exhausted. He told me it felt like his body finally woke up. Spirulina is proof that sometimes the simplest natural nutrients can outdo expensive supplements or protein shakes. But don't go anywhere yet, because the final food on this list doesn't just repair muscle, it actually works with your body's natural chemistry to make those gains last for years. And it's something most seniors have never tried before. 9. Tempeh, the complete food that builds strength and stability after 60. Tempeh is one of the best foods you can add to your diet after 60. It's made from fermented soybeans, which gives it 3 powerful nutrients your body needs: OT protein, probiotics, and vitamin K2. Together they help rebuild muscle, keep your bones strong, and improve blood flow. What makes tempeh special is the fermentation process. It makes the soy easier to digest, so your body can absorb more nutrients from every bite. According to a recent study in the Journal of Gerontology, older adults who ate tempeh 3 times a week for about a year became stronger and steadier on their feet. Many of them found it easier to walk, climb stairs, or get up from a chair. Simple things that mean a lot when you want to stay independent. Tempeh also provides vitamin K2, which helps move calcium into your bones instead of letting it build up in your arteries. This keeps your bones firm and your joints flexible, something the National Institutes of Health calls essential for healthy aging. You can steam or sauté tempeh 3 times a week and add it to salads, sandwiches, or stir-fried vegetables. It soaks up flavors easily and works in both savory and light meals. Tempeh isn't just another protein, it's a full-body helper that supports your strength, balance, and overall energy as you age. And here's the best part. All the foods we've covered today work even better when combined. They help your body stay strong, your muscles recover faster, and your energy stays high every single day. If this video has helped you learn something new, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the final tips on how to put these foods together in your daily meals. Getting older doesn't mean losing strength. The truth is, your body can still rebuild muscle and energy when you feed it the right foods. From Greek yogurt to tempeh, each one helps your muscles, bones, and heart stay healthy. You don't need fancy supplements, just real, natural food. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try first this week? Leave your answer in the comments, and let's learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Use it if you share this simple, life-changing knowledge. They'll truly thank you for it.